How to log in into Roblox with QR code. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in into Roblox with QR code. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up any search browser. I'm going to open Safari and in the search bar, type in Roblox login. Then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one. Now you will land to the login page. Once you land to the login page, over here you will find the option of use another device. You have to click on that. With that, you will get the QR code. Likewise, you will also get the code. Now you need to scan this QR code from your logged in device camera. So go ahead and open the camera on your device that you want to log in and scan this QR code. After you scan the QR code, you have to confirm login from that device. After you confirm, you will be logged in this device. So you can see that I have been logged in. So that is how you can log in Roblox with QR code. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.